What's up, everybody? This is Lisa here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson. Who's ready for an off-site bike night? We are heading to Towers Tap House in Little Elm this Thursday night. You know what? And we're going to be hanging out with CVMA 23-1, our friends over there. We're so excited to be doing another bike night with them. While you're there, they're going to have some games going on. We have some fun, maybe a 50-50. We're going to be signing up anybody for Ride for Heroes, or we'll be validating your miles, whatever is needed for that. And we have Rockstrocity is going to be live on stage. So be ready for some kick-ass music, kick-ass people, kick-ass bikes at a kick-ass location with your kick-ass Harley-Davidson dealership. So come on out and join us Thursday night, 6 to 9 at Towers Tap House in Little Elm. We will see you then. Who's that creeper? Wait, where'd that creeper go? Where'd he go? We'll see you then.